So hi, ladies and gentlemen. I'm coming to you with another review. I'm doing reviews Friday because Thursday got away from me. I don't know what happened. Don't even ask. I'm doing the Beschan PUI leather travel storage kit, and it's leather. Take this plastic off. How's everybody doing today? I'm doing fine. This is how it looks. Feels nice. I got this for my husband. Oh, okay. And really, what it is, it's a travel case. You can see inside. It's nice. And he can put his, because he goes away in the summertime and goes fishing, so this will be nice for him to have. So, if you like this, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. Again, it's the Beschan travel case, and I will see you later. I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.